This is heartbreaking. Apple's future plans are exposed in a new display analyst survey that might break your heart if you're an Apple fan waiting for a feature that should already be yours, especially if you're paying $900 for it in today's era. You see, when it comes to an average Android user, whether they're using a flagship phone or a mid-range phone, they get to enjoy the absolute smooth 120Hz refresh rate display, or perhaps even more than that, up to 144 or 165 Hz. The industry is moving up and up while Apple is still stuck with the ancient 60 Hz display that's gonna come on the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus. And if you're waiting for when Apple will go 120 Hz on all iPhones, now we have the full prediction. According to Ross Young, this is the display roadmap for the iPhones in the future, and as you can see, Apple has no plans to add a 120 Hz refresh rate display even to the iPhone 16 lineup next year. Perhaps this will happen with the iPhone 17 in 2025. This is kind of heartbreaking because a lot of Apple fans that can't afford to buy a Pro iPhone, they're paying quite a bit of high money for the non-Pro iPhones while still getting a 60 Hz refresh rate display even in 2023 and soon in 2024 until we see Apple finally ditching this in 2025. Now, if you're only interested in the Pro iPhones, then it is exciting to know that by iPhone 17, Apple will implement a proper under-display Face ID system, so we're gonna get an even minimal design upfront on the display. Plus, we can see a full-screen iPhone with the under-screen Face ID and camera by 2027. Let me know what you think about this 60 Hz continuation in the comment section below. Also in the news, the iPhone 15 Pro might not have the biggest design change since the original iPhone because Apple apparently got into some issues with this new buttonless solid-state design. Yes, according to one of the most trusted Apple leaksters on the planet, Ming-Chi Kuo, he says Apple might actually cancel the iPhone 15 Pro's solid-state design because of the new issues that they have faced. The issues are unspecified, so we don't know what exactly is going on with this new design, but he says that Apple will not give up and they're gonna delay this for the iPhone 16 lineup in 2024. With that being said, we might still see a pressure-sensitive action button that is going to replace the mute switch on the iPhone 15 series. So if you're someone who was waiting for a big design change difference, well, that might not happen. Still, USB-C is going to be one of the biggest reasons to get the iPhone. For a lot of people, it has been a big bottleneck in terms of buying an iPhone thanks to the outdated Lightning port. Plus, Apple is looking to increase the fast charging speed as well as bring some new exciting features with the iOS 17. Overall, I'm still looking forward to what Apple pulls off with the 15 Pro lineup. The A17 chip is also very exciting. The first in a smartphone to be at 3nm is gonna be incredible. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding Apple's decision to keep using the iPhone 60 Hz display until 2024. This is truly heartbreaking in my opinion because an average iPhone user won't get the privilege to experience a 120Hz display. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.